If I told you that there was a way you can have a shiny, sparkling toilet 24/7, and not just your toilet, but your whole entire bathroom as well. Now, what if I told you it would only take you 5 minutes or less to achieve this? Would you be interested? Well, get excited, because today, on day 24 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge, I'm going to introduce you to the Swish and Swipe. Swishing and swiping is the method you can use to transform any bathroom, no matter what state it's in, to a pristine condition for the rest of your life. I know, because I have a funny story or 10 about how my bathroom used to be. So much so to the tune that I almost ordered an out of service sign. It was that bad. What you're going to do is take a microfiber cloth or whatever cleaning rag you're accustomed to, as well as your favorite cleaning spray, if any. It could be homemade. You don't have to buy anything fancy. Anything will do the trick. This might depend on how much more or how little elbow grease you might need to put on it. First, we're going to start with the sink. Spray your sink and swipe it with your microfiber or whichever cloth. There's toothpaste in the mirror. Feel free to get it as well. Then we move on to the tub. We're going to do the same thing. Spray the tub, wipe the tub, and if you have a shower, you might want to do the walls as well. Finally, we will move on to the toilet, and we're going to start with the outside, making sure to get the handles and everything in between, all the way to the inner rim, all the way to the bottom. And then finally, we're going to take our toilet brush and washing part, and we're going to swish on the inside of the toilet. You don't have to use a specific cleaner for this, but full disclaimer, I do use one once a week. Other than that, I just use the water, and it is completely spotless. First time you might find yourself doing this, it might take a little, or in my case, a lot longer than 5 minutes. But after this, if you keep at it every single day, not only will you have a spotless bathroom for the rest of your life, but it will take you 5 minutes or less to do it. I even have a video where I fully timed it in real time, and it was like 3 minutes or less. Bathroom at any state, do not feel discouraged if the first time takes a little bit longer. You can get up in a couple of days if needed, but after the first big tedious round, it should be smooth sailing after that. When you do the swish and swipe daily, it is a blessing for your home and others, because your bathroom will always be a place of comfort and serenity, and you don't have to be embarrassed when you have guests over and they want to use your bathroom or be tempted to order an out of order sign. When you incorporate this every single day, it is truly a blessing for your family, yourself, and others. So to add this into your habits, I do my morning to make sure my toilet stays pristine for the whole entire day. And in the night, it is still clean. And in the morning, it is still clean. But I still do it. And every day I do it. And it has stayed spotless ever since. And the tub and the sink as well. To get your free printable down below, I've updated it so we can have all of the habits together. You're going to notice there's two that look similar, but one is filled out, one is not. The one that is filled out is just the way that I happen to do it, and the other one is blank, and you can fill it out according to you. I think it only has like dress the shoes in the morning and shine the sink at night. But other than that, you can fill it out however you see fit. There's a key where you can see the ones that got done multiple times a day if needed. And oh my goodness, you guys have to let me know in the comments how much further along have you been seeing your house going, especially with the decluttering. That one is a total game changer. And tomorrow is already day 25 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. I'm so excited to see you there. We have like a week left. It really flies. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.